Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today, I got me a triple screen monitor to unbox. This one's pretty unique because obviously, as you can see here, it's two screen in one. And this is just something that I absolutely think that if you buy portable monitor that you need to look into because it's gonna change the way you work at Starbucks. That's what I'm gonna say, okay? Anyway, I wanna thank this company for sending this to me because I actually begged them to send me this one right here because I thought it was so cool. Because if you have a laptop, you can actually use this thing and have three screen now. I mean, that's amazing. Anyway, let's unbox this thing and take a look at it. So the spec on this one right here is 1080p, 60 hertz. So the spec on this right here is 1080p at 60 hertz, in case you are wondering. About the size of like an HP laptop, you know, one of those office laptop. Instruction manual, lots of instruction manual. Let's look at all the cords real quick. Got two USB-C cords. Obviously, this is going to be powered with USB-C, so you know that already. Got a power brick there. Interesting. So there's an adapter where it's a single USB-C here, and then you plug it into USB-C and micro or mini. Is this mini? Mini HDMI. And then there's a mini HDMI to regular HDMI. So this right here has a kickstand. There we go. We added a little rubber here so that it doesn't slide all over the place. It looks like it's an afterthought though. Oh, interesting. There are some mounting points here. These are the VESA mount right here. If you want to mount that on, that's pretty cool. I may actually use that. So there's some warning right here. It says gently open and close. Do not squeeze the screen, that kind of stuff. All right, let's see here. Really, it's like a laptop if you want to look at this from that perspective. It is a lot lighter than a laptop though. It's more like a Chromebook. All right, so if I flip this out, let's see here. Okay, it stands this way. This hinge here is very solid, so it doesn't collapse the entire piece. You know what I'm saying? HDMI to USB-C, probably a volume button. There's a switch right here that says key, but I'm not sure what that does yet. All right, let's plug this thing in and take a look at the quality real quick. All right, guys, so let me just show you something real quick right here. After I've set everything up, let me just show you what I've done. So there's this adapter that I showed you earlier. It has a HDMI and also USB-C that you plug straight into this side right here. Over on this side, you got yourself a USB-C port. And what that does is that when you plug this thing in, it actually tells you, by the way, it tells you, there's a sticker on here that says, hey, there's a software inside here and it will install on your computer. And that's what I did. I've installed it already. Now let's go ahead and plug this thing in again. And let me show you. So I'm using a single USB-C right here. Plug this one in to my computer. And what it does is it turns both screens on, meaning that the power is going through there. And as you can see, there's two monitors, right? Now, you're probably wondering, is that the same monitor or not? I'm going to open up my Finder here. So this is one monitor, which is over on this side. I'm going to go ahead and pull it over here. There's another monitor right there. Let's go ahead and pull it over here again. And there's the third monitor. So obviously, you can configure the monitor to where you're telling the computer that, hey, the monitor is stacked. So you can have one up here, one down here, so that you can just pull the item from up here to down there, that kind of stuff. Okay, so you can configure all of that obviously, but that's the cool part about this is that only one wire coming out into the Mac, and now you got three monitor. Very cool solution right here where the software is literally inside here. I didn't have to search the internet or anything for it. Very good. If you don't use this adapter, now let me just talk about that real quick. If you don't use this adapter right here and you just plug it straight into the USB-C, it will power the monitor, but as you can see, it's just one monitor. That's all it is. Now you're probably wondering, why would anyone want to do something like this, right? Well, let me show you. There's a key button over here. When you press it, now the top and the bottom monitor are all stitched together. See that? So now you got one big monitor. Pretty cool, right? I mean, it's fantastic. There's a button on the monitor itself. And you just basically change the mode. See that? Press again. Now it's just all one monitor. Anyway, pretty cool here. Very cool solution to this. Remember, don't lose this little adapter right here, because what that does is that it will even split out both monitors to where it can be two monitors. So, which is what I will probably be doing, to be honest with you. Triple monitor in a small form factor like this. In terms of the side-by-side comparison, I just want to show you guys this. Here's my ultra bright laptop monitor versus here's what this monitor looks like right here. This monitor is probably not the brightest. It's not going to compare to your MacBook Pro if you have a MacBook Pro, but it's still very sufficient compared to some of my other I have a PAL portable monitor, and it's not as bright as this one right here. Anyway, guys, that's it for me right there. That is the KEFEYA, I think that's how you pronounce it, M2 monitor. Make sure you look that up, okay?